Okay. So for this lesson, let's look at question 1 first. Okay. Altogether there are five questions. So I'll pick easiest question to start with. Okay, then afterward, then select other question, see how to do them and depend on the difficulty. So first one, we have a straight line y equal mx plus c, where m and c are constant, and then it pass through 2 points. Okay, so -2, 3, and 1, 9. So let's try to answer the first part. How to find? Okay, first part is draw the straight line. Okay, draw the straight line of the equation. Okay, well, how do you draw a straight line? So a straight line needs 2 points, right? So draw a straight line equation. So start to draw a straight line. So if you have a graph paper, it's easier. But no, if you don't have graph paper, just draw by hand first. So you have an x and y axis first, part A, right? So x and y axis here. Okay, so you label the point. So let's say this is -1, -2, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's see, this is a point here. So you have a point -2, 3. -2, 3. So this is 1, 2, 3. So -2, 3 somewhere here. That's a point. Okay, -2, 3. So this is a point. -2, 3. And then there's another point, 1, 9. So you can need, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, somewhere here. So not very accurate because I just draw by hand only. If you have paper, then you can get the point. So 9 here. So 1, 9 is this point. Okay, 1, 9. Draw a straight line graph of the equation part A. Okay, draw a straight line graph of the equation. So you can draw them by a straight line. So I draw it by hand. So draw a straight line. Okay, so this will be the straight line. This is not very accurate, huh? So anyway, this is a straight line. So part A. Find the gradient and the y-intercept of a straight line. How to find the gradient? There's a formula for gradient. The formula gradient is actually y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is how to find the gradient, right? So from here, you can find the gradient. So y2, this is actually the point x2, y2 first. So this is x2, y2. This is x1, y1. So you can follow calculation. Y2 is 9. Y1 is 3. Okay, no need bracket here. So Y2 is a 9, Y1 is 3. Okay, look at the Y value. Then X2 is 1. X1 is -2. So this will become 6 over 3 now. So gradient is 2. Okay, this is called the gradient, right? Gradient. Okay, so I find a y gradient now. Now I want to find a y-intercept. So y-intercept is what? Y-intercept is actually this point where the straight line cut. Where the straight line cut the y-axis. So don't worry about if there is come up in exam. Definitely it will come up in the exam. Okay, definitely this question will come out in the exam, and there will be graph paper. So don't worry, right? This will be definitely have a graph paper for you to plot. Okay, so don't worry about this. Okay, then how do you find the y-intercept there? Y-intercept actually where the point where the straight line cut this, right? So I'm not sure why this thing. So my formula diagram, I think I'm not very accurate here because my skill not very accurate here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6 here. So the y-intercept is where we cut the y-axis here. So based on the answer, it's a y-intercept is equal to 7. Okay, about there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, my straight line is okay. So if you draw the graph accurately, C is equal to 7. Okay, C is equal to 7. But can we actually find it by calculation? Okay, how to find it by calculation? How to get this? Because my graph is not very accurate. Mine is about 6. But if I draw the graph accurately, I should get 7. That's right, if I get it. Let's see if I can get this or not. So if I draw it like this, okay, now, okay, so if I draw it like that, I think I get 7, okay. So C equals 7 here. The way it cut the y-axis here, okay, the way it cut the y-axis here is about 7 here. So if you draw accurately, more accurate, okay, you get this point about 7. C is the one, everything from the graph. So C equals 7, this is called y-intercept, the y-intercept. Okay, the y-intercept, how to calculate y-intercept actually is to put x equal to 0, then can find out y is y here. This is the C here. Okay, so let's see what any message for me until now. Okay. I think God, yeah, who how comes to no class today? This is a Wednesday morning, no? Wednesday morning, no? According to the timetable, I think it's Wednesday morning, 8 o'clock. So, all right. Okay, so anyway, so let's continue the lesson. So I have finished part B already, right? Part A, part B, I finished already. Find the value of M and C. Good. Actually, y-intercept is a gradient. No, y-intercept is a C, M is a gradient. So find the value of M and C is so actually answer part C, M is equal to 2, C equal to 7. Okay. So this is our answer part C. Okay, then from the graph, estimate the value of y. The y is this one. But last part there, estimate value of y when x equal to -1. Okay, let me do some calculation because you know M and C already, right? So actually, y equal to mx plus c, right? Means y equal to 2x plus 7. Okay, you can actually check your answer now. So you put x equal to -1. Put x equal to -1. So you get y equal to 2 times -1 plus 7. So let me shift the equation a bit here. Okay, for your information, I think your timetable has changed already, so that's why we are having 8 o'clock class. Okay, so from here you get y equal to 5, right? So y equal to 5. So when x equal to -1, y is equal to 5. So you can check whether it's correct or not. Your graph is correct or not. Well, x equal to -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 somewhere here. Correct, right? X equal to -1, y equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here. Yeah? So this is from the graph, you can see that it's -1, 5. So answer is y is equal to 5. Okay? So this is the point where y is equal to 5 here. Okay? When x equal to -1, you go up, you find out where is the y now. Y equal to 5. Okay, so this is how we answer question 1. Get answer everything from the graph. If you draw an accurate graph, you should get the answer quite accurately. Right? So this is question 1. Okay, so I can take a picture for this. I'll answer question 1. Okay, so this is question 1. It'll be quite short. Okay, so next question actually is super similar to question 1. So I will leave it to you to do question 2. Okay. In this case, I have graph paper anyway here. Anyway, question 2. In this case, you have this equation slightly different because they use y equal to a plus bx, right? So what does it mean by y equal to a plus bx? Some people will get confused. What is the b now? B is the one with x, right? It's called the gradient. So gradient is b now. The gradient is b now, and then a is the y-intercept. So instead of a ms plus c, instead of ms plus c here, they use a plus bx here. So you have to know which one is the gradient. The number b is the gradient now. So you find the gradient based on the formula. You pass to 2 points and draw the graph for y-intercept. Okay, and so the calculation is very similar to question 1. So I leave it to you. Okay, now, okay, any issue with the question 1? So I have shown you question 1 there. Okay, so if not, I move on to question 3, right? Question 3, I say do the part A. Okay, I'll do the part A for you. Then to try and do part B. Solve the simultaneous equation graphically. Okay, graphically means draw a graph. So how do you draw a graph? You need to arrange the equation first. Okay, so let's arrange the equation first for part A. Okay, part A, let me see, I got this one, got blank space here. So for part A first, so first equation, 3x plus 2y equal to 1. Try to arrange them into ms plus c, right? So 2y is equal to 1 minus 3x. Divide both sides by 2, get y equal to half minus 3 over 2 x now. So this is the first equation. Then you look at second equation. 2x minus y equal 3. So what is y now? So y is equal to 3. Okay, y is equal to what? Okay, do slowly now. So that I think you may get confused. So you get minus y equal to 3 minus 2x. Multiply both sides by minus 1. The 1 equal to minus 3 plus 2x, which is equal to 2x minus 3. That's the equation. So in this case, you need a table first before you draw a graph. Okay, so try to make a table as big as possible because you're not sure how. Basically, you need 2 points basically, but you want to make sure that you have accurate picture. You can at least get 3 points. So I have x here. The next one is first equation, y equal to half minus 3 over 2x here. So this is the first equation. Another one is the second equation now. Two x minus 3. Right? So x and y. So the first one, let's try. I'm going to take x equal to minus 2 first. Okay. Then I try x equal to 0. Then try x equal to 2. Okay. Maybe at least you need 3 points. For straight line, you get 3 points to make sure that you can really go a straight line. So when x equal to minus 2, where is the first y? So it's half minus 3 over 2 times minus 2 here. So you get 3 plus half. So 3.5 now. So this is 3.5. So you calculate here. This is 3.5 here. For x equal to minus 2, this is 3.5. Okay. When x equal to 0, put x equal to 0 there, you get y equal to 0.5. So make sure you get a straight line. You can put x equal to 2 now. So you get half minus 0 minus 3 is 2.5 now. Then how about the second line? When x equal to minus 2 times 2 is minus 4. Okay, minus 4, minus 3, okay, minus 7. When x equal to 0, y equal to 2x minus 3. So this is minus 3 here. And when x equal to 2 times 2 minus 3 is 1. Okay, so I've got a table. I'm going to join this table to the next graph. I have a space for here, so I can copy this table here. Okay, copy this table and go to the next page. Alright, so I copy the table here. This is the point there. And then I'm going to join a graph paper. Join a graph paper. So I have graph paper somewhere here, so I can copy this graph paper and then put in here. And this graph paper is not so good. I don't have this one. Okay, this one better. So this one graph paper. So put it here. So make it smaller. Okay, also no good. The graph paper is no good because it's too small. So I hand draw. Okay, just hand draw a graph paper. Okay. Okay, so label the scale. I have this -2. Let me draw this over here. So I need more space below. Okay, let's try. This is actually -1, -2, 0, 1, 2, right? So I go according to the scale, and let's see, this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Okay, this y value is negative now below y-axis. So the first point, when x equal to -2, y equal to 3.5. Okay, 3.5 somewhere here. So I can go up further. Y. Okay, y 3.5. So -1 and 3.5 somewhere here. 3, 4, right? 3.5. So -2, 3.5. Because -2, 3.5 also I should be this one. Somewhere here. -2, 3.5. Okay, first point. Okay. So I got -2, 3.5, first point. And 0.5. So 0.5 is somewhere here. 0.5. Okay, I got this point. And then 2 and 2.5. 2 and 2.5. Do I make mistake here somewhere? I think got mistake there, right? Okay. 2 and 2.5. I think this is not 2.5, right? It's -2.5. I need a mistake test down. Okay. This is -2.5. So this one is actually -2.5. Right? When x equal to 2, half -3 is -2.5. Okay, that's why you need to get 3 points at least. Otherwise, it looks very strange. You don't get a straight line. So -2.5 is somewhere here now. So this 3 point, true enough, you know that, oh, this is actually a straight line. So we can get a straight line now. So join these 3 points together. Okay. So then this 3 points together. Alright, so this is how you get the first 3 points of a straight line. That's why we need extra point, not just 2 points, so that you make sure that you already got a straight line if you look very straight. Right? That's why you need at least 3 points to make sure that you already got a straight line. Now, the second one now. So I'm not looking at this one now. So this one cancel. And this one is 3.5 here. So this one don't need anymore. This one don't need anymore. So the second one you are looking at is this one now. -2 and -7, first point. -2 and -7 is somewhere here. When x equal -2, y equal -7, somewhere here. Okay, this first point. And then when x equal 0, y equal -3. 0, you turn to -3 somewhere here now. Okay, -3. Then 0, -3. And then 2, you get 1. So 2, 1, I think somewhere here. Okay, 3 point. 2, 1. Okay, so then you join them together. You see that this is actually quite look like a straight line. So you can join them together. Look like a straight line here. Okay, this one look like a straight line. Okay, so this is second line. So first line, this side is y equal to half -3 over 2x. Second line is y equal to 2x minus 3. Okay, so when these two lines intersect, so when you draw the graph accurately, you're able to see the intersection. Okay, the intersection, if you go accurately, is somewhere here. Right, this is the point intersection. So where is it now? You can see for yourself. Is x equal to 1, y equal to -1, right? Somewhere in there. So this is actually from the answer here, the intersection. Because the question asks you for intersection, right? Solve. What's the meaning of solve? Meaning is try to find the common point. Okay, solve means find common point, right? Meaning of this, find intersection. Okay, the meaning of solve means find intersection. So intersection for these two straight lines, you can see from there. So answer is x equal to -1, y also equal to -1. Okay, common point where these two lines intersect. Everything from the graph. It is how you solve this question 3a. Okay, 3b is similar one. So I show you how to do 3a already. So 3b will be similar. Okay, so okay, now let's do question 4, right? Question 4. Okay, question 4 and question 5 are similar. So I do question 4, then the rest leave it to you. Okay, so this one is just WhatsApp to you, this solution just now. Okay, question 3, you have to write the equation properly first. Okay, equation properly first. Then you make a table. Okay, after you make a table, make sure you get enough point, at least 3 points. Then for table, you draw the graph. And then look for intersection, everything from the graph here. Okay, so I move on to the last question. Those question 4 and 5 are similar, so I do question 4. Okay, this time draw the graph of x squared minus 5x plus 6. Use the graph to find the middle point of the graph and the value where it is equal to 0. Okay, how to answer this? So draw the graph first. So in order to draw a graph, you need a table. Okay, so I'm not sure how the table look like. So you can try. Usually they provide a table for you. Then you just fill in the blank. Right? So let's make a table first. So x and y, right? Y is actually x squared minus 5x plus 6. Okay. So I'm going to make a table as big as possible, because this is not just 3 points now, you need more points than that. So space here, you can write here. So 3 here. So at least I think should have at least 6 points and space out. So at least have 6 points. The more points you have is better. The more points you take more effort here. Okay, I'm going to start with from -3 to 2. Let's try. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Hopefully this is enough. Okay, there are 6 points there. So I start with x equal to -3 first. So let's try y equal to x squared minus 5x plus 6 here. For x equal to -3, you get -3 square minus 5 and -3 plus 6. So you get 9 plus 15 plus 6. So it's 24 plus 6, you get 30. So this one is 30. Okay, let's try another one. Y equal to -2. X squared minus 5x plus 6 here. So y equal to -2 here. -2 squared minus 5. So you get 4. -2 squared is 4 plus 10 plus 6 here. You get 20. Then I find that it's not very good. Looks like that's not the way I want it to be. Okay, sign y equal to x squared minus 5x plus 6 here, and x equal to -1, -1 squared minus 5 minus 1 plus 6 here. It's 1 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 12. Okay, when x equal to 0, you get 6. So I don't think this is very good here. I think okay, never mind. X equal to 1. 1 minus 5 plus 6. Okay, good now. x equal to 1, y equal to 1 square minus 5 times 1 plus 6 is actually minus 4 plus 6 is 2, right? And then next one, when x equal to 2, you get 4 minus 10. Okay, this one, when x equal to 2 here. Okay, let me see here. So if I'm not sure about arrangement, you can try and error. Right? Basically, I try out the different value of x, then I find out what is the graph of y. So x equal to 2 now, y equal to 2 square minus 5 times 2 plus 6 here. And this will give you 4 minus 6 minus 2. 4 minus 10 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 6 is 2. Okay, so it's 2 here. Or less, you can continue if you want to. I just put one more point here. Let you see the pattern. 3 now. So put x equal 3 down. Y equal to 3 square minus 5 times 3 plus 6. You get 9 minus 15 plus 6 here. And 9 minus 15 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 you get 0. Yeah, correct. So 3 square minus 15. 3 square is 9. 9 minus 15 is minus 9. Yeah, 9 minus 15 is minus 6. Plus 6 equals 0. Okay, looks very strange to me. Let me see whether I got a mistake here. So x equal to 1. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 6 is 2. Yeah. X equal to 2. 4 minus 10 is minus 6. Okay, minus 6. 2, right? 4 minus 10 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 is 0. Okay, this is my mistake here. This is my mistake here. This is 0 here. Right? So at least for a pattern, okay, how it looks like this is the smallest agreement. With x equal to 4, 16 minus 20 is minus 4. Minus 4. Okay, fine. So more or less, yeah, I have actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 7 points. Let's try to draw a graph. Make this table. Draw a graph. I see how this pattern look like. So this is actually trial and error. Actually, I try to make a table so that I have enough value so that I can plot the graph. Okay, so edit, copy here. So I go to the next page and draw the graph. Okay, so go to the next page, draw graph. So draw the graph. So make sure the graph is big enough. I think I'm going to just take this portion enough to show you the pattern. So I'm going to take this portion and I'll show you the pattern, right? So there are 5 points there. So x and y. Okay, so I'm going to use different scaling now, I can use the -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And then you can continue by 4. Okay, so and so on. Okay, so now -1 you get 12. So let's say this is I use 4, 8, 12. Then I use different scale. Okay, different scale. So -1 you get 12. So somewhere here, this is 12 here, 1 point. 0 gets 6. So 6 somewhere here. 0 gets 6 here. And 1 you get 2. So 1 is 2 here. Somewhere here 2. And 2 will get 0. 3 also gets 0. How about 4? You see the pattern here. Hopefully you can see the pattern here. How this thing look like. This type of curve. This type of curve is called parabola. Okay, parabola here. So make another one, 4. You see the pattern here. Okay. 4 okay. The equation is 2x squared. Okay. The equation of curve is 2x squared. Okay, x squared minus 5x plus 6, right? Okay, y equal to x squared minus 5x plus 6. For x equal to 4 now, so 4 squared minus 5 times 4 plus 6 here, you get 16 minus 20 plus 6 here is 2. Okay, next 4, we get 2 here. So actually, you go back up somewhere here. So you can see the pattern how the graph look like. It's something like this. This kind of curve is called parabola. So you join this together. So join this together here. Join them. Okay. Now to here. You go down a little bit, then go up again. Right. So you continue the pattern. This is the graph something like this. Okay, this y equal to x squared minus 5x by 6, look like this. Okay, y equal to x squared minus 5 by 6 more. So what the question asks you? So part A. Okay, the question asks you the minimum of y. Okay, the minimum of the graph. What does it mean, the minimum of graph? Basically, ask you what is the smallest value of y. Okay, so if you draw it accurately, you're able to, you can take another point, say, you see that between 2 and 3, right, it start to turn. X between 2 and 3 start to turn. So you can actually find a minimum. I think it's about at 2.5, somewhere in the center. So minimum, I think more or less at minimum at where? If you draw the graph accurately, you more or less can see at x equal to 2.5, right? Somewhere there, x equal to 2.5. So what is the y there? From the graph, we can tell about 2, right? Minimum 2 minus 2. If you want to make sure, do calculation yourself. That means y equal, when x equal to 2.5, so y equal to 2.5 squared minus 5 2.5, then plus 6, right? Then do calculation yourself. See whether you are actually fair enough to get this answer, right? So the minimum 2.5 square it, okay, minus 5 times 2.5, then plus 6, and then the minus 1/4. Wow, actually it's actually minus 1/4 here, minus 2, right? So I have estimated too fast. So this is actually minus 1/4. By calculation, tell you that this is smallest. Okay, so the graph I think maybe it's not so low. Okay, it's actually slightly above here. So you can always use calculation to check. Okay, you can always use calculation to check. It's minus 1/4. You can check here. Okay, so this is how you answer the part 1. Now, part B. What are they trying to tell you? Okay, part B, what they are asking is when the graph cut the x-axis. Okay, part D is actually the value x squared minus 5 by 6 equal to 0. Okay, value, what is the value of x? The x value the x-intercept y equal 0 and put y equal 0. So what you have is y equal to x squared minus 5x plus 6 now. Put y equal to 0. Then you solve x squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Because where's y equal to 0? Y equal to 0 is the x-axis. So this line here is y equal to 0. Okay, let me go back. Where is this now? Here. Okay, so for y equal to 0, you get x squared minus 5 plus 6 equal to 0, and y equal to 0 is this line. Y equal to 0 is actually x-axis. So when they cut the x-axis here, so from the picture, you know this is x-axis here. So you can tell that you cut at x equal 2 and x equal 3, right? X equal 2 and x equal 3. So answer for this one is x equal to 2 and x equal 3. Okay, this answer from the graph. Okay, so you can take a picture for you. This is question 4. Okay, question 4. I'll take a picture here. This is question 4 first. Question 4, how to do a calculation. And this is a bit trial and error. Then afterward, plot the point. Then get a graph. This graph is not a straight line. This is called a parabola. Okay, parabola here. So this shape is parabola. Okay, parabola. Okay, so this is question 4. Question 5, I leave it to you. So I go stop recording. Okay, now.